So guys, as I promised you, are you ready for this one? So I'm going to open the big one first. Let's go. This is really huge. Are you ready, guys? Because I am. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is so cute! Love it so much! Ta-da! So, are you ready, guys? Ta-da! I bought Molly Hugging. This one is the tallest one. This is blind size. If you have blind, so this is 1/8 scale. Let me grab my blinds. 1 second. So this is Bly's doll with changeable eyes, and this is the pull charm. This is custom made by me. So you just pull the pull charm at the back, and it will close and change the eyes. So this is Bly's. This is 1/8 tall. Let's open the box. So this is her. You can see on the top it says 1/8 figure, and the side, this is original, and this is the side. Let's open the doll. I don't want to damage the box. Okay. And this is the card. The authenticity card. So cute. And this is her. Here. This is her. And the background is so cute. She comes with her fox. This is a fox. Let's open her up. Woo! Oh my god. Ah, she's so cute, guys. Oh no, she's so cute. I love her outfit. And this one is BJD, which is ball jointed doll, and it's fully articulate. The outfit is removable. Look at her shoes. Oh my god, it's so cute. And I think her eyes is movable eyes, yes. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it so much. So this is the Blythe compared to Molly. And I love this one because she is articulate and BJD. I love BJD. I have several BJDs and the head is fox. We love it. And the hair, oh my god, love it. So this is her companion, the fox. I should name him or her. Any suggestion, guys? So this is the fox. The head is keep falling off. So guys, this is her. Really love it. And her fox. Oh my god, she has extra hands. Would you jumpa? So she comes with extra hands. This is the size comparisons, and I think the size is more like her. Even though I forgot the doll names, but this is the comparisons between these two. This is also BJD, and it made from PVC material. It's not plastic. same with her. So that's what I love BJD so much. And the blush is more taller than this. Blush is right here. So this is my new collections. So I think that's it for today. Bye. And y'all, this is a sneak peek of my collections. If you want to see more, please comment.